Hello and welcome to another episode of Driveway Dudes. 20-foot extension lead and a plastic fruit pot. With a Sharpie, just measure the center here, and you'll have a line going across here, so you'll be going just below the line with the cable, as I have just done it here. And we have a hole here and a hole here, so the cable will be going in two places. Now screw off the top of the jar, and with a small hacksaw we need to saw down to the hole. Next step is to remove the plug from the cable. Remembering the colours, with this one it's blue for neutral, brown for live, and green and yellow for earth or ground. And with the jar back again, what we'll do then is we'll just push the wire in through the hole and pull it through all the way with all the cable until you have the socket inside. So you have your socket inside your jar, and you have your little hole for your other cable. Now I'll show you how to do that one. So just say you have an extension lead outside and you want to connect something to it. Maybe you're going to vacuum your car, or you're going to use an electric lawnmower trim or anything like that. So this, just say this is the plug for the one you're going to use. So you just plug that in and just pull it back into the jar like that. Then you have your little slit and your hole, and just push it down in there. Screw on the lid, and there you have a weatherproofed socket extension. When you're finished with it and you're going to put it away, again just open that and just pop it out, unplug it. Now the other thing you can do is you can use this as your cable tidy and put your cable in there. So what we'll do then is we'll just show you, just push that in there, pull that in through, and then just coil your cable around it. I measured the jar and made sure that the cable would fit into it, so it actually fits 20 foot of cable in nice and comfortably. Where we cut the little groove here, again we can just fold down the cable back into the little hole that we made earlier. Just put that back into place and screw on the cap, and hey presto, you have a little container that you can carry, or you can hang up in a safe place somewhere and out of the way, and you're not going to have 20 foot of cable lying around. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you like this, share, subscribe and comment, and you can find us on Facebook, Blogger, Twitter and Instagram.